Alright, it's JD, and I'm here at Tilley Harley Davidson in Statesville, where they just got done doing my stage 2 for me and putting on some KST Kustom bars, putting on some Bassani True Duals on my 115th Anniversary Heritage, and it looks good. In fact, I'd say it looks exactly like I was hoping it would. So we went with edge cut for levers. All around the bike, those True Duals are looking fantastic. 3 Mutts Custom on the rear, 3 Mutts Custom Leather on the rear bib. And that's what a Heritage Softail looks like with True Dual exhaust on it. And KST Kustom bars. And that is looking fantastic. And let's hear how it sounds. And this is already warmed up, so this is a warm idle with those Bassani True Duals. Give it a little wrap. That's just about blowing my shirt off. And those pipes do sound good. All right. Alright, so thanks to the guys in the shop at Tilley Harley in Statesville. I'm a happy customer. That's awesome.